Assalamu alaikum, student of class 9th. Today our chapter is computer component. The topics of second chapter is ports, data processing concept, main memory and motherboard. The topic number 1. What is a port? What is a ports? Define, compare and contrast serial port and parallel ports. A port is a connecting socket or jack on the outside of the system unit into which are plugged different kind of cable. There are two types of ports, namely serial port and parallel port. What is a serial port? Serial ports are for transmitting slow data over a long distance, such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, and modem. The standard for PC serial port is the 9-pin or 25-pin. It is also called the male connector. What is a parallel port? Parallel ports are used for transmitting fast data over short distance. Parallel port, also called a female connector, has 25 holes and the cable that plug into it has 25 pins. What is data processing concept? Data processing concept. Data processing is the manipulation of data into a more useful form. Data processing includes numeric calculation, classification and transmission of data from one place to another. Data processing cycle. Data processing cycle of three basic steps. Input, process, output. Whenever a computer is used, it must work its way basic stages. Before any task can be completed, there are input, process and output. Input. Input is the step in which initial data or input data are prepared in some convenient form for processing. Processing is the step of data processing in which data input data are changed and usually combined with other data to produce data in a more useful form. Output step is that step of data processing in which the processed data information is collected as an output for the user. What is electronic data processing? A type of processing which involves electronic equipment like keyboard, CPU, monitor, printer, etc. is known as electronic data processing. It is always abbreviated as EDP. Define main memory. We have two types of main memory, ROM and RAM. RAM read-only memory and RAM random access memory. The program and data stored on ROM are permanent and cannot be changed. We have three types of ROM: PROM, EPROM and double EPROM. Programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. RAM is the computer's working memory where it stores the program and data that are being used at a given time. We have three types of RAM: DRAM, SRAM, SIM. Dynamic RAM, static RAM, single inline memory module. Motherboard. The motherboard or system board is the main circuit board in the system unit. The motherboard consists of the flat board that fills one side of the case. It contains both solder non-removable component and socket or slot for component that can be removed, microprocessor chip, RAM chip and various expansion cards. What we have done in this class, the topic number 1 is port, topic number 2 is data processing concept, topic number 3 main memory, and topic number 4 motherboard. Thank you.